As truly said by Buddha, happiness is not having a lot, happiness is giving a lot. Like a lotus flower, we do have the ability to rise from the mud and bloom out of the darkness and radiate into the world. I myself is deeply inspired by the preachings of Buddha, and I truly believe the more we share our knowledge, the more we get.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि।
Hello, friends. My name is Mohini Sinha, an acrylic artist from India, and today I'll guide you how to paint step by step Buddha portrait painting. So, in this class, I'll be also telling you what all materials we'll be needing to complete this painting, what all colors which we'll be needing to create those textures, and complete blocking of the portrait, the layering technique, and the blending of colors, creating some realistic textures, and finally how to frame the painting. And this is the final look. So let's start with it.